Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mace Match here, and today, and another video is we're seeing what's inside of, like, what colors inside of these apple and banana from Apple Banana Pen. Apple Pen, Banana Pen. Okay, let's. I got an idea. I'm gonna use my knife. Banana pen. Grandpa, come here. Where did you put my knife? You know my red little one?
I think it's on that door there.
I just checked. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Thank you. Here we go. I got my knife. It's sort of small, but it's gonna do. Oh, let's cut open the.
I'll cut your tongue.
This thing is still pretty sharp.
Here, you want me to show you a trick?
What?
Give me the apple now. Before you wreck it. Oh, I don't think it's gonna work now.
Okay, where was the hole? Okay, the hole you can't really see, so I'm gonna cut it where the hole was. Look at that. That's what the after scenes were.
Now you gotta eat it.
What?
Now you gotta eat it.
No, I'm not eating that piece, but I'll eat this piece. It's still pretty good.
Peel the peel film.
Okay. Inside the banana. Okay, the banana's pretty hard.
Stick at the point in first.
Oh, there we go. I was using the wrong side the whole time. I was using the wrong side the whole time. Where'd I stick it in? There's nothing really bad with it.
Well, you can eat it.
That's good also. I can't even see where I put the pen in at. Can you see where I put the pen in?
No.
Well, the banana you can't see where the pen is, but the apple you can. It's might because I didn't use that good of a pen in the banana, but in the apple I used a blue pen. Whoopsies. And this is what we're seeing right now. The banana and the pen. No, why did I say pen? But that's all for this video. Now I need to get cleaning up. I need to clean off my knife. Paper towel. Like that.
Are you done with your apple?
Yep.
Are you still recording?
Yep.
No, it's off.
And there we go, guys. That's the end of the episode. We were just checking what was inside the apple. As you can see, there's blue, and the banana, you can't really see anything. Well, there's a little right there. Right there's a little hole, but I didn't put it in there. I think I cut where the hole was, so I cut through the hole. I don't know. So the banana you can't see, but the apple you can. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.